Are you facing high ping, lag, or slow connection issues while gaming on Xbox? In this video, we'll look at some of the best DNS servers you can use on your Xbox. Let's start with Cloudflare DNS, one of the fastest and most popular options. Primary DNS 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Next is Google Public DNS, known for its speed, reliability, and global network. Primary DNS 8.8.8.8. Secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. If security is your priority, consider Quad 9 DNS. It helps block access to many malicious domains while providing dependable performance. Primary DNS 9.9.9.9. Secondary DNS 149.112.112.112. Another great option is OpenDNS, which offers reliable performance and optional content filtering features. Primary DNS 208.67.222.222. Secondary DNS 208.67.220.220. To get the best results, test each DNS server and choose the one that performs best in your location. Network conditions vary, so the fastest option can differ depending on where you live and your internet provider. If you want to change the DNS settings on your Xbox, go to Settings, then Profile and System, then go to Settings. Under Settings, go to General, then Network Settings. Choose Advanced Settings, then DNS Settings. Change DNS settings to Manual and enter your preferred primary and secondary DNS addresses. That's it. Your Xbox is now configured to use a custom DNS server. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Xbox tips. Thanks for watching.